Purchase this FM panel which has USB connection as well as a remote, and it is a digital display. There is a Bluetooth connectivity as well. Let us see what is inside. This is the remote inside. You can see the remote which has various functions. Volume control is there, change in channel, equalizer, on off switch, mute. So many functions are there. And there is a battery here. This is probably a battery protector to prevent wastage of battery. This is the battery inside. You can see the battery. A single cell is there. You can see the battery. I'll put back that button cell. So it has been put back. This is the battery inside. You can see the battery. A single cell is there. You can see the battery. I'll put back that button cell. So it has been put back. Board inside. This is the panel board. You can see that it is written as Hi-Fi. Then the Bluetooth indicator, mode change switch, volume plus, scan, volume minus, auxiliary input. Then there's a card input, USB input, and the digital display also seen here. There is provision for MP3 as well as FM in this board. This is the board. You can see the USB connector here. This is the digital display, a couple of capacitors, and you can see the most important ICs here, a couple of ICs. A crystal also is seen. This is the place to connect the power supply. Power supply wire connected. Here you can see VCC and ground. So that's the reverse side has this power supply connected. Then you have two pins for the speakers. Here you can see volume, ground, treble, bass. I'll connect the other cables provided for the speaker. They are of the same color code. I would have expected this to be a different color code because this is meant for speakers. The two have been connected. Using a wire stripper to strip the wires prior to soldering. I am trying to connect a power source. That is a 6-volt battery. It is powered on. So this remote on-off switch is working. Then I'll test the other functions after connecting the speaker. I have connected a speaker which I had here, and I will see the power on.
FM mode. FM mode.
I am reducing the volume. You can see that I have reduced the volume. That is the popular local FM station I am hearing on 91.9 megahertz.